Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Grid X and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this watch. To force restart this watch, simply press and hold the middle button right here and keep holding it until you see the Polar logo on the screen. Once you see the logo, you can release the button. So let's press and hold the button, keep holding it. Once you see the logo, you can release it and wait until the watch turns off. And after a second or two, the watch should turn off. And after it turns off, you can turn it back on by pressing and holding the middle button again until you see the Polar logo on the screen. Like this. Now let's wait until it turns on. As you can see, we're back in the system, and that's how you force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.